Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey, thanks for coming back. Today we're going to install some of these windows here. It's a little cold out here, so we're going to try and stay warm, get it done. But if you go down and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, it would help us out. We appreciate y'all coming watching our progress here. We'll try and come up with some more videos as we go along. Yep.
Stop. What are you doing?
What's she doing?
Overnight.
You know how to use that thing?
No.
Don't close it. It's got a safety thing on it.
Are you ready?
You excited for this to get done?
Yes. Are you gonna come in here?
Check them out, see what they look like. Freaking awesome. I'm gonna try and get the background. You can't really see the mountains out there too well because of the lighting on the camera, but out there's mountains. It'll be a nice view. Let's head over to the other room over on the other side. let's head on over to the other side over here. Right now we're in the kitchen and living room area. There you can see the mountains in the background there. All right, over here's another bedroom. With the lighting out there, you can't really see it too well, but there it is. Looks good.